Leonardo AI has had an image-to-video model for some time now, but it wasn't very good. The videos it produced weren't great. Until recently, when they released new models that can now create amazing videos from both images and text. In this video, we'll explore the new Leonardo AI video models, including the new Google models and the in-house Motion 2.0. Make sure you stick around so you know which one to use for your next project, so you can avoid wasting your credits and get the best results. First, let's head over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. When you log in, head over to the video creation page. We'll start by selecting the first model, which is VO3 Fast. While the two VO3 models may seem similar, there's a major difference between them, which I'll explain later. This model creates HD videos only in 720p or 1080p. I'll turn on private mode. You can add the video to a collection if you want, but I won't be doing that in this example. Even though you can add an image as a starting frame, I'll skip that for now and just use a text prompt to show you what it can do. Generating the video uses around 2,000 credits. If you're on the basic plan, that's nearly a quarter of your total monthly credits for one video. For the rest of this video, I'll speed up the generation process to save time. And here it is. Isn't it amazing? The best part, it has inbuilt authentic sound. I didn't even include any sound-related text in the prompt, but it added audio automatically. The footsteps, the look on his face, the realism, it's just amazing. It may not be perfect, but it's very impressive. Unlike many other AI video generators, this gives you 8 seconds of video. It even looks like it was shot with a real camera. Expensive, yes, but with the right prompt, you can get stunning results with one generation. Now that you've seen what VO3 Fast can do, let's try the original VO3 model from Google. I'll use the same settings. This time I'll use an image from one of my earlier generations as a starting frame. I will also add a simple short text prompt. Notice the cost difference. This model is significantly more expensive. It costs about 2,500 credits. That's 500 credits more than the VO3 Fast model. So, let's see the results so you can compare the quality for yourself.
Waiter, can I get the check, please?
Again, the sound was added automatically. There's a slight error on her face, but overall, the fingers, consistency, and facial expression are amazing. It's also 8 seconds long. So, you might be asking, what's the real difference between VO3 Fast and VO3 models? The truth is that it's the cost. Some comparison videos say that VO3 creates more detail, but from my own experience, the improvement isn't worth the extra credits. So if you want realistic 8-second videos with sound, I advise you use the VO3 Fast. As long as your prompt is solid, your results will be great. There's no need to overpay for results that isn't noticeably better. Now, let's check out Leonardo AI's latest in-house model, which is Motion 2.0. After selecting the model, you'll see several new settings. The first is motion control. This lets you simulate camera movement like a crane shot or panning. You can choose from these presets or select none and describe the motion in your prompt. For this example, I'll pick crane down. Then there's motion element, which defines the video's visual style. This only works when you're using a text prompt. But if you're starting with an image, you can skip this option. I'll leave most other style settings blank to avoid unnecessary complications. I've noticed that over-customizing can increase the risk of errors, and since each generation is expensive, I prefer to keep things simple. One great thing about Motion 2.0 is that you can choose the aspect ratio and number of videos you want. A single video costs about 300 credits. That's why you should be thoughtful with your prompts. So here's the result from Motion 2.0. Its videos don't include sound, and they're only 5 seconds long. The animation is basic, not very lively. I'd say it's decent for GIFs or simple social media clips. But beyond that, it creates very limited movements. So this is the best Motion 2.0 can offer right now. Still, it's a huge improvement over the old Motion 1.0 model. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see that the Motion 1.0 model only works with image to video. You can't use text prompts. When I try to click on the prompt box, it doesn't work. I'll just pick a starting image instead. And then generate. Here's the result. It's literally unusable and nowhere near the quality of Motion 2.0. I do not use it at all in my daily workflows. So now you've seen all 4 video models Leonardo AI currently offers. Before you go, let me show you how to create video from any existing image. On the home page, you'll see generations by other users. You can also use images from your own library. But for this example, I'll pick one to demonstrate how it works. On the information page, click the Generate Video button below the image. You'll get a settings page where you can enter a prompt and choose a model. If you want to use a prompt, select Motion 2.0. From there, you can adjust motion control, aspect ratio, number of videos, and quality. Once you click Generate, the result will appear in your library page and the generation page. Here's what I got. The mouth movement is quite realistic, but the chocolate didn't go into the mouth. As you can see, the Motion 2.0 model still has limitations, especially with realism. So that's how to turn text or images into video using Leonardo AI. The 4 available models each have pros and cons. Motion 1.0 is the cheapest model, but it's image to motion only and the video quality is really bad. Motion 2.0 is better and flexible. It has no sound with only 5 seconds clips. VO3 does create high-quality videos, but it's very expensive. The latest model, which is VO3 Fast, produces high-quality videos, and it is slightly cheaper. It also has sound, and the video is 8 seconds long. For realistic videos, I recommend the VO3 Fast model. But for animated GIFs or short social posts, I think Motion 2.0 might work for simple projects. All Leonardo AI video models are expensive, so I advise you always refine your prompts first to avoid wasting credits. That's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more AI content and share with anyone who might benefit. Thanks so much for watching and bye.